Assalamu alaikum, students. How are you? I think you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah with your family and friends. Yesterday, in our last class, we have discussed the first chapter of first paper, Introduction of Statistics, Variable and Concept of Different Symbols. There, we have discussed the origin of statistics, definition of statistics in both singular and plural sense, then meaning of statistics and the characteristics of statistics. Today I will discuss the function of statistics. Okay, let's go share screen. Okay, so today we will discuss the function of statistics. If you analyze the definition of statistics by different author, there we will get clear idea about the function of statistics. There are different function of statistics. These are data collection. You know the data is the raw materials of statistics. So data should be identical and uh, and your data should be very good condition and fine. So it's most important element and first step of statistical investigation. Data is the basic element of statistical analysis. If there is any mistake in collection of data, then the statistical analysis becomes difficult and conclusion can never be reliable. So data collection is the first and foremost duty of the statistics. And this is very important. If there is any mistakes in data, if there is any wrong uh, idea about data, if the wrong printed about data, then whole analytical things is wrong. Now, second one is organization of the data. If the second test of it is the second step of statistical inquiry. In this first step, we edit the data. For this, we should be careful so that the omission, inconsistencies, irrelevant answer, and wrong competition in the return from a survey may be corrected or adjusted. So if there is any wrong data collected or any irrelevant data is collected, there is a scope to edit the data, organization the data. Irrelevant data should be omitted. Third one is presentation of data. After the data have been collected and organized, they are ready for presentation. Statistics presented the data in a simple and orderly and by the method of classification, tabulation, and diagram. Then data analysis. After the collection, organization, and presentation of data, the next step is data analysis. In these steps, different statistical methods are applied to make the data easy, simple, and comparable. Now, interpretation. It is an important part of statistical analysis and a very difficult task. In these steps, result from high degree of skillness and experience are needed to interpret the data. If the data is not properly interpreted, the whole object of the investigation may be defeated and fallacious conclusion may be drawn. Okay, if your the interpretation is wrong, then everything may be wrong. Your conclusion may be wrong. Now, comparison. It is an important function of statistics to compare two or more statistical data. Mainly, statistics, statistical analysis and data collection is done or follow to compare the two or more data. This is the main duty to compare the data, to collect the data and analyze the data. Comparison. It is an important function of statistics to compare two or more statistical data. Unless figures are compared with other of the simple same kind, they are often devoid of any meaning. Generally, data are compared with one another on the basis of time and place. In fact, the main themes of statistics are compared between the effect of past and future. Say, in the previous year, the production of a company is 1 lakh metric ton, and this year it is 75,000 metric ton. So the production is reduced due to corona and other things. Okay, so this is the is comparison is the main and important function of statistics. Now prediction, and what will be the production of next year of that company, what will be the production of 2030 of this company. Okay, so if they plan in future plan, then prediction is very important for future plan of a company or government or any other organization. The prediction is very important, and this is the a function of statistics. Plans and policies of organization are invariably formulated within advance of the time of their implementation. Knowledge of future trends is very helpful in forming suitable policies and plans. Statistical method provide helpful means of forecasting future events. For example, if a businessman has to decide how much he should produce in 2007, he would like to know the expect sales for that year. He may use this subjective judgment and guesses. Now, formulation of policies or statistics. Statistics provides the basic materials of forming suitable policies. For example, it may be necessary to decide how much gas can be exported by Bangladesh. The decision would depend upon the expected internal production. In absence of information regarding the estimated domestic output and demand for gas, the decision on export cannot be made with the reasonable accuracy. So if I want to export anything, then I have to estimate or calculate how much production will be produced in the next year or this year, and how much is demanded and how much will be extra. In this case, we can only export, and so we need the calculation about the production, about the demand and others. and the demand of internal and demand of external and their price also. So finally, it can be said that the function of statistics is very important. Now, scope and importance of statistics. The scope of statistics is very vast and ever increasing, that not only it is difficult to define, but also statistics has permeated almost every fact of our lives. It is a tool of all science, indispensable to resource and intelligent judgment, and has become a recognized discipline in its own right. There is hardly any field, whether it is trade, industry, commerce, economics, biology, botany, astronomy, physics, chemistry, education, medicine, sociology, psychology, or technology, any kind, where statistics tools are not applicable. In everywhere, statistics tools are applicable. So this is very important subject. This is very useful and very needed in modern science and modern technology. The importance of and scope of statistics are given below. First is statistics and planning. Planning. Any kind of planning like is statistics is very important. Even in our personal life also. Statistics is indispensable to planning. In modern age of planning, almost all over the world, particularly of the budding economics, resorting to planning for the economics development. Statistics tools are applied to know the rate of unemployment, cost of living expenditure, net profit in certain management for determining poverty line, rate of literacy, etc. Thus, in every successful planning, sound and correct analysis of complex statistical data are required. So, statistics is very important in case of planning. Statistics and economics. Number of economic problems such as wages, price, analysis the price and wages, analyzes the production, etc. also facilitate facilitates the development of the economical theory. Wide application of statistics and mathematics in the theory lead to new theories called economic statistics and econometrics. The economical statistics is called econometrics. For since it is very important in economics, there is nowadays an other branch. A new branch is a new subject is established, which is econometrics. Okay, we have we had the subject in honors and masters, econometrics. So economics in economics statistics is very important. That's why a new era econometrics is established or made or generated. Statistics and business. Statistics is an indispensable tools of production control. Also, business executives are relying more and more on statistical techniques for studying the needs and the desires of consumers and many other purposes. In sometimes in business, before the producing anything, uh, the company owner had to know their competitors, the price of the competitors and their market, and which market it is sales they need. For this, they had to take collect the data and analyze the data, and they also use and predict. They also use their in their production. Okay, this data is used, and this is very helpful for their decision making also. The successful of business more or less depend upon the accuracy and precise of his statistical forecasting. For this, most of the large industrial and commercial enterprises are employing trained and efficient statistician that I told earlier. Okay, statistics and industry. In industry, statistics is widely used in quality control. In a production system, the quality of the product should be checked frequently so that the specification of the production is maintained. For this, inspection, control chart, etc. are extremely used. In inspection plan, a specified type of sampling is adopted. In inspection, quality control, the statistics is highly used. Statistics and mathematics. Nowadays, from class 5, math statistics is used. Okay, as the name is data and information. This is actually statistics. In class 6, there are some statistics from class 6 to from class 5 to 12. From class 5 to 12 in math, there at least one question is set from statistics. This is data and information. The chapter is data and information. You have got it already. Though statistics and mathematics are very closely related. Recent advancement in statistical theory or techniques are the outcomes of wide applications of advanced mathematics. Statistics may be regarded as the branch of mathematics, which provide us with systematic method. Statistics, which provides us with a systematic method of analyzing a large number of related numerical facts. Statistics and medical science. In the medicine, in the medical science, statistics is used for collection, presentation, and analysis of observed fact relating to the causes and incidence of disease and the obtained from the use of various drugs and medicine. Moreover, the efficiency of a manufacturer's drug or injection or medicine is tested by using test of significance or t-test. Okay, whenever we research any medicine or any disease, then we will collect the data, and this result must be tested by t-test, chi-square test, f-test, like this. So in medical science it is very important. And nowadays, this is, since it is very important, so another department from statistics is established. This is biometry, biostatistics. Okay. Now, statistics and biology. The association between statistical method and biological theories were first studied by Francis Galton in this work, Regression. He recommended that the statistical method are important in biological theories. Statistics and astronomy. Statistics has a great use in astronomy. The theory of Gaussian normal law of errors for the study of the movement of stars and planets is developed by using the principle of least square method. You have a method of least square. This will be discussed in second year, and this belongs to statistics. Statistics and psychology and education. In psychology, there are so many research. Okay, so many data should be collected. Okay, so this is related to the statistics. In education and psychology too, statistics has found wide applications to determine the reliability and validity of a test. Factors analysis, etc. so much that a new subject named psychometry has come into existence. Okay, for psychology, statistics named psychometry is established. Statistics and what? In the word, the theory of decision functions can be of great assistance to military and technical persons to plan maximum destruction with the minimum effort. Thus, we can say that the science of statistics is associated with the almost all the science, socials as well as the psychological. That is science, social science, mathematical, and psychologists. Bowles has said that rightly, a knowledge of statistics is like a knowledge of foreign language or an of algebra, or it may be provide proof of use at any time under any circumstances. So thank you very much, students. Good luck. Thank you.